Hi neighbor, welcome. We're at 34 Platinum today in Ladera Ranch. Wait until you see this townhome. I'm Carla with First Team Real Estate and I'll be giving you a tour today. Let's go check it out. Loving these Calcutta kitchen countertops. The quartz is sensational. It looks as good as it feels. Thanks for stopping by. Carla with First Team. I hope you enjoyed the tour of 34 Platinum in Ladera Ranch. Bye-bye, neighbor.